Hello everybody, Matteo here, and I welcome you in my little RC garage. Today I'm going to show you something amazing. It's the extremely detailed interior for the Traxxas TRX-4 Bronco from AMPro Engineering. AMPro Engineering have a lot of cool stuff for Tamiya and other RC cars. Check out his channel, you can find the link in the video description. This interior is very well designed and all parts are 3D printed. It comes in white nylon. I have already applied some coats of filler and sand the surface to make it smoother. At the rear, also a better looking body holder is included, instead of the unscaled original from Traxxas. This holder holds the interior at the rear, and this part in front. These parts can be easily installed without modifications. On the bottom of the interior are two pins, and these fits into the holes of the new holder. So the whole interior can be easily installed and removed from the chassis. There are so many details. The sidewalls with door handles and window crank. The dashboard with a lot of extremely tiny things to take scale realism to the next level. But now, the next step is to paint all these things. I decided to go with two different shades of brown. Lighter for the main color and darker for some details. So the main part is painted, and as you can see I also used a bit of weathering. For this I used this weathering master set from Tamiya. 3 colors are included, and with the sponge and brush the shades are easy to apply. Also the side panels are finished and ready to install. The rear roll bar and body holder I painted black, and it's also finished. It has to be screwed on to get enough stability. As you can see here, also all the parts for the dashboard are already painted. For the fine silver lines I use these liquid chrome markers from Molotov. These are very helpful. Now I can put everything together. A small piece of polycarbonate for the lens, and all the other parts have to be glued together. Now we can already see how the illumination of the dashboard works. On the backside in these holes, LEDs can be installed to get this amazing light effect. So here it is. The dashboard is completed and all the details are installed, like buttons and levers. Again, you can see how amazing the illumination works. And now all parts are finished and ready to put together. The dashboard can be fixed with screws, and the sidewalls have to be glued on. This is done, and you can see I have already 3 LEDs installed. And now let's put this thing on the chassis. And yes, it fits very well. These details are so amazing. Even the grids of the air vents are movable. With a small servo connected to this arm, the steering wheel can be easily made movable. But I do not install this yet. The problem I have is to find a driver figure with flexible arms. Here you can see how the illumination works with the installed LEDs. As last thing, I need a driver figure, and as always I will use this driver figure from Tamiya. After a few small modifications, this should be fit well. So here it is, driver figure is painted and installed. Now I'm finished and the Bronco body can be installed. And yes, everything fits perfect. It's really amazing how AMPro engineering has designed this interior. Unfortunately, all the small details cannot be seen when driving the Bronco on the trails. But I'm looking forward to install a small camera on the inside to take some onboard footage. I think this will look awesome. If you liked this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And don't forget to check out AMPro's channel. Now I say thanks for watching and see you next time.